Hello, guys. Welcome to a new, fresh morning episode of Crypto Milad. Today it's 7th January and we're gonna discuss an important subject, the Bitcoin, guys. The Bitcoin, the front runner, the king of the cryptocurrency, the biggest market cap of the cryptocurrency. And also what we're gonna discuss, guys, because I know this channel, we have a lot of people with altcoins, meme coins, interested in this kind of things. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find out what the Bitcoin dominance is doing versus the altcoins. That's, I think, a very important front indication about where the price will go with the altcoins and the meme coins. When the Bitcoin dominance it's weak, it means that the alt season, the meme season can start. There is a big probability that it will go up. But when the Bitcoin dominance goes up, then the best is to stay out altcoins and meme coins in the short term time of period. Of course, in the long term, it can be different. I talk about one to 3 months time frames. So, guys, let's directly dive in the Bitcoin charts because that's the most important, and that's what we're gonna find out what Bitcoin will probably do in this upcoming days, weeks, months. Sip of the coffee, guys, and then we dive into Bitcoin. Guys, we start with the weekly charts, with what we always do. In the weekly chart, guys, it seems that we find some support above 90K. Because it was like it was like a thriller if the 90K will be broken or not in Bitcoin. The past 8 weeks it was tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, guys. 6 times the 90K was tested, and a lot of people were a little bit scared because they talk, of course, one of the 6 time, the chance is big that the 90K was broken. But when the 90K, guys, will be broken, it will be very different way of where we are now. Because when the 90K will be broken, there will be panic in the market and a lot of people will sell. And that's normal because the next support will be a little bit above 80K. So that's a big difference from 90K to 80K. That's a big amount. And of course, the altcoins and the meme coins will bleed a lot when that will happen. So everybody was a little scared, but the opposite happened, guys, and that's what we want to see in the cryptocurrency, that the price goes up because that's the best for the most people, guys. And what we saw that this time when at the 91K, the past week, 91K. When this was at 91K, guys, a lot of people went short. They thought this is the moment that it will be broken and it will go to the 80K, and that's a good profit what they could make. But guys, Bitcoin always do what he want to, and Bitcoin, it's a hard asset to predict, guys. Everybody knows that. A lot of people, even good uh, traders, what I respect in the market, what I respect really, the real OGs, even they were a little bit confused in this situation. And guys, in the trading, it's not always about being right, it's always about acting fast. I think that's the most important in trading, acting fast. When you see that the structure is changing, when you see that, you want to be fast, you want to be faster than other traders. And I think that's more important than always predict the right price, because that's almost impossible, guys. Like, you cannot predict the price, but you can have a plan, and your plan need to be in your edge. So it need be more profitable for you in percentage. Then you can win in the long term. If that's not the case, guys, you will have a hard time in the crypto. And I can tell that with 11 years experience, I had also hard times. Like every human, I think, in the cryptocurrency. But in the most important, guys, that you have a good plan, and in the long term you win. So guys, enough about that. So the Bitcoin price, it survived and it went 10K, 11K up, what nobody expected really at the moment. Everybody expected more downside, but it didn't. And now, guys, the question is, can we break the next all-time high? If we can close this week above 104K and close above 104K, it means there is a big probability that we're gonna break the all-time high. What's at this moment? Let's see, at around, let's say 108, 109K, guys. In the index, it's around 100, more near the 109K. So, guys, let's see if that's possible this week, because the weekly it looks actually quite good. The cash money flow, it looks fine. The MACD, it looks good and positive, and also the RSI looks good, guys. So let's go to the 4-day charts. Let's see if we can find something in the 4-day charts. In the 4-day charts, guys, the MACD was crossed, and that, of course, was because of this previous candles. What gave a big probability that a lot of people also thought that we're going to break the 90K and we go down because of the MACD on the 4-day cross was normally a quite serious point. But at this point, guys, it can just cross again to the upside. The green can again go like this and it go to the upside. It doesn't mean always when it crossed that it will go down. The probability normally is bigger when it's crossed that it go down, but it's not a guarantee, guys. It's not always like that, and it looks like that the green candle, because of this price, of course, it's going again to the upside. We have a 1 day and 15 hours to go before the 4-day charts will close. And when that happened, guys, when this chart close at this price, guys, it will cross again to the upside, and that's a very, very good sign, guys. The rest of the things looks good, guys. We have a green star. That's very positive because we broke this point, the 99K. Where was this two candles? And now the question is, will we break this candle, these two candles? Like already a close above 106K, guys. That's already a very, very good indication that we're gonna see more higher prices in the near future, guys. So that looks actually positive. Let's go to the 1 day. Let's see if we can find something good in the 1 day. The 1 day, guys, it's looking like that we wanna retest this point around 106, 107, 108. We want to retest this point. And it's now above all moving averages. And that's always a very good sign, guys. When the price on the daily is above all moving averages, and all moving averages is pointing to the upside. Normally, guys, it means that the probability is big that we go to the upside. So let's see how far the bulls can push this price, because they are in a good way. We are now almost at 102K, and that's a good price, guys. The RSI, it makes me happy, guys, because it's above the zero again. It means the cash is flowing again in the Bitcoin. What also very nice, guys, the MACD, it's again crossed on the daily onto the upside from the 0 point. And guys, that's also a good indication that we're gonna see higher prices. But we should, it's very important that we should hold the 100K. So no, not going under the 100K, guys. Because if we're gonna go under the 100K, then we're gonna again retest almost this 20 EMA. And when we break this 20 EMA, then the story changed a little bit, guys. Then the probability will be a little bit more higher that we're gonna see some downside. But at this moment, guys, I don't see any problem. It's very sunny in Bitcoin land, and I don't see any clouds at this moment. Let's see what this daily candle will do. It's an important candle. Let's see if we can push it to 105, 106, maybe by this candle or maybe the candle of tomorrow. That will be very super bullish. Let's go to the 4 hours, guys. Let's see if we find something in the short term. The 4 hours, guys, it's above all moving averages. It looks fine. Maybe we get some a drop to this point to the 100K, and then we push it up again. So let's see if we hold the 100K. That's an important point to hold, guys, at this moment. So guys, enough about Bitcoin. Let's go to the Bitcoin dominance, because that's gonna show us what the altcoins, the meme coins will do, where we all are, where we have our money in a lot. Guys, actually, the Bitcoin dominance, it looks good for the altcoins and for the meme coins because I'm gonna show you one thing, guys. On the weekly chart, you see that this was really the 61% was really a point of top, of reaching the top. And then we went a lot down. What we also saw uh, that this 20 EMA was quite respected on the weekly from a long time, guys, from almost 1 year. And then, guys, because this was not alt season in this point, alts were totally dead at this moment. So this was actually the moment, if you believe in your alts, to buy alts. It was a good moment in a year ago. And then when I was very positive about that the alt season and the meme season, it's nearby. The moment when we had a weekly close under the 20 EMA, and from that moment, guys, you saw we went a lot down. Then we retested. We try one. The boost try to the boost the dominance of the Bitcoin tries to push the price one time more, and it was again rejected before the 60%, exactly at 60%. And now, guys, we're going down again, and we are again a weekly close under the 20 EMA. So this candle, guys, probably it will be rejected at this point, and this time it will not go up from the 20 EMA up. The chance is bigger that it's gonna be rejected here, and we're gonna retest this point again. And let's see if we're gonna retest this point, if it holds. If it doesn't hold, and we have again a weekly close under the 50 EMA, that's a very bullish sign for the altcoins and for the meme coins. That means that at that moment there is a big probability that the alt season gonna really start. Because, guys, I think the people that are just in this cycle started with the with the Bitcoin, with the cryptocurrency. I think, guys, you didn't saw the real alt season. The last real big alt season was, I remember, around 2018, 2019. And, guys, this alt season was crazy. And I think we can expect something like that, and even more stronger than the 2019 alt season, because this time, guys, there flowed a lot more money, serious money inside the market. And this uh, money will flow outside Bitcoin when Bitcoin gonna stabilize a little bit, and it will stay on one price. It can be in 1 day or 2 days that you see big green candles of altcoins of more than 50, 60, 70%, guys. And that's the moment that really the alt season will start. And, guys, it will go so much up that you cannot imagine. And that moment, you don't need to be a good trader anymore. You just need to put your money in the right coins and just stay in it and wait until you think, okay, this is the moment that I want to cash out. This is the moment that I'm happy with my profit. And I think my strategy is normally I go out in steps. How I go inside a coin with steps, I also go outside a coin with steps. I think that's the most safest way to make some money inside the cryptocurrency, guys. So, guys, it looks like that the Bitcoin dominance is very weak at this moment. How I see it, the 4 days also the same story. We are the 20 EMA is going down a little bit. We are already not anymore above all moving averages, and that's a sign that Bitcoin dominance, it's get weaker and weaker. And the daily, you can see it even better. In the daily, you can see we are under all moving averages, guys. And let's see if we can, if you get here already rejected and you go down. Let's see, because we had a daily buy here. A daily buy can be a 4 candle upside in a bullish trend. So maybe this today and tomorrow it's a little bit upside, and after tomorrow we're gonna go more down, and the altcoin is gonna pump a little bit more. So let's see how that's gonna play out, guys. On the 4 hours, looks a little bit more bullish, but still, it doesn't look so good, guys. It doesn't look so good. It looks more like uh, soon we're gonna have a more drop, and the altcoins gonna start to pump a little bit more, guys. Because I think we are in a good road. Just we need the real pump, the start sign. And when the start sign is it's given, guys, the money will flow massively inside altcoins and meme coins. And guys, from that moment you can see 10x, you can see 50x, you can see 100x. It's really depend in what kind of coins you are and what market caps you are. I think it's good to divide that a little bit in big market caps and mid market caps and lower market caps. Normally the alt season, it starts with with the top 10, with the top 20, and it goes a little bit, flows down and down to the lower market caps. But let's see how it goes this time, guys. I think it's a perfect moment to end the session, to end the episode, guys. Today, I wish you all a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. Stay strong, keep your back strong, defend them, and I see you all tomorrow in the other episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, Crypto Milad. Have a great day. Bye.